Hi everyone, this is Cindy A. Lewis, and if you remember, we made this journal, the basic base of it with 8 pages and a 3-hole pamphlet stitch with 8 sheets of paper. Cardstock is actually what I used, double-sided, and you wanted to see how I decorated and embellished it. So I'm going to show you that here in this video. Okay, first I want to point out that I made a very simple closure just using this same lace that I have glued to my cover. And I used a couple of pretty glitter bows from the Dollar Tree that come in a mini bow package of 12 like this. As you can see, I've used some of the other bows. And I just tied them around the ends and then put some hot glue just to secure them. Okay, so I'm going to remove the closure here. When we created the book, we already put some color around the edges to give it the vintage look. So I added a sticker here that says Believe. Inside, I put some hot glue and took this same ribbon. It's a cloth ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I really love it, so I pick it up whenever I see it because I use it a lot, and I love that it's this cream color. And I created a pocket here that can hold a journaling card or something so that I can keep track with things that I want to add in. I put a little bit of washi tape here, and this is washi tape as well, and added a journaling card and a little die cut here, and left some space for journaling along with this little ornament. I left this page the same, added a little tuck spot here. These are journaling cards, all from the same package from the Dollar Tuesday morning. And then this is just a piece of the paper that came with it. It had something else on it, so I cut a little piece out, and then I just put a little sticker here, and I made a belly band. And then I accented with another sticker here. Here I created a pocket, and then I made a tag and just added that into the pocket with a little of this eyelash fringe in red. Created a tuck spot here, little pocket, and put some jewels. This is from the Dollar Tree, and just created a little journaling card here, wish list. And of course, pictures can be added wherever. I just put Merry Christmas. It's a little sticker here. Left this open for pictures or whatever, but then I put a tag here, and I put some washi tape. This is just scrap that I saved, and so then I put a little sticker here to add to it, so I didn't have it on both sides, the color. Here is a double pocket. I just created a double pocket with the journaling cards, 2 different sizes, and just made a double pocket. Very simple. Left this page open for pictures or whatever, and then I created this like little peekaboo open so that we can either journal here or put a picture, and left this page available. And here, these pockets were created when we made the inside the center. And I just put a journaling card here so you can write on the back, and then some stickers to accent, and another journaling card here with little pull top on both of those. Then on this page, I kind of created a similar to a waterfall type peekaboo place here. So waterfall for pictures or journaling, either way. So I left the back side blank, and I just put these in so they would open, and you can open all 3 of them, and they're just graduated where they're put on the page. And then I put a little sticker here. On this page, this is just another pocket I added with a tab. I also created a pocket here that has some space here, expandable, and put a journaling card here. And of course, you can add more with that expandable pocket. I left this page, just put a die cut here. This is like similar to a library card, but not quite exactly. But it's a pocket here for my journaling card, and then a sticker here. I left this page blank, and then I put this pocket here. It is secured here, but I put a little bit of the same washi tape, and then I can write on the back of that one. Then I have a pocket here, and I just thought that was cute, so I just stuck it in there. And left this with just the bow. I decorated this a little bit with some stars. And then finally, I have this pocket here, and it is a large pocket, about the size of the whole page. And then these are blank, with a little bit of that lace type ribbon. Here's really more lace, but it's cloth. So anyway, that is how I decorated my journal. And I hope you enjoyed that. It gave you some ideas and some inspiration. And until the next video, thanks for watching.